Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the scooter on its center stand so the rear wheel can turn freely. This prevents surprises. Next, remove the left side panel so you can access the brake lever and cable route. Once the jam nut is loosened, back out the adjuster and slacken the cable until the brake is disengaged. Do this now because it frees the inner cable from tension and makes the next removal step straightforward and safe. Once you have slack, disconnect the inner cable from the brake arm by releasing the retaining pin or clip. You want to avoid bending any studs. Then, feed the inner cable back through the housing along the exact original path. This preserves braking feel and prevents kinks. Before seating the cable, apply light lubricant into the housing. This reduces friction and improves responsiveness. Make sure the ferrules are seated cleanly and that the lever end snaps into its slot so the cable will operate smoothly. You finish by adjusting the free play to about 2 to 3 mm at the lever. This gives full travel without constant drag. Once adjusted, lock the jam nut and torque any removed fasteners to spec, then reattach the panel. Test by spinning the rear wheel and applying the brake multiple times to bed the cable and confirm engagement. If the brake drags, check for tight clips or a pinched housing. Free any clips, straighten routing, or replace corroded housings as the quick troubleshooting fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.